Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we will solve the third question of the 7th Indian Mathematical Olympiad in the year 1992. Now, since the exam was conducted in the year 1992, this question resembles, the numbers in the question resembles with that value. See, we have 19 to the power 92 is divided by 92 and we have to find the remainder. So before we start, let me tell you a fact that this question will be solved using Euler's totient function. First of all, let us see what does it say. Euler's totient function says that when a to the power totient of function of p is divided by p, we get the remainder always 1. Now here we have a condition. Here the GCD or the greatest common divisor of a and p must be 1. For example, 19 and 92, their GCD is 1, so we can say a equals to 19 and p equals to 92. Then 19 to the power totient of 92 is congruent to 1 mod 92. Now you are getting to the question. Now how to calculate this thing and what does it means? This totient function of 92 refers to the number of all the co-prime integers which are lesser than 92. For example, the function of 5 is 4 because you see 1 is prime to 5, 2 is prime to 5, 3 is prime to 5 and 4 is prime to 5. So we have 4. But when we come to mod 6 or sorry the totient of 6, we have something else because we see 1 is prime co-prime to 6 but 2 is not, 3 is not, 4 is not, so 5, so it's just 2. Now how to calculate this value, especially if we are to find 92? Now we cannot simply just find out the totient function of 92 by counting because it is getting huge. So we have to find some formula. We will use totient of n is equals to n times 1 minus a 1 by some prime 1 times 1 minus a 1 by prime 2 till 1 times a 1 minus prime of n r, where prime of I always divides n, where 1 is lesser than I lesser than r. Wait, for example, we have to calculate mod 6. Now you see it's 2 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 1. Now 2 and 3 are some primes which divide 6. So we go here, totient of 6 equals to 6 times of 1 minus 1 by 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 3. Now this is nothing but 6 times half times 2 by 3. That is 2. You see, we just got here. In this question we saw totient of 6 and here also we found a totient of 6 which is equal to 2. So let's find out totient of 92. Totient of 9. Now 92 can be written as 2 squared into 23. So the totient is, so the primes dividing is 2 and 23. So totient of 92 is equals to, or better 92 is equal to, so totient of 92 is equal to 92 times 1 minus 1 by 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 23, which is equal to 92 times, here we have 1 and 22 by 23. Now you see this divides 4, 4 times 2, 2 times 4. What? Wait, this is 2. Just a minute, what is this? I think I made a mistake. It's 92, right? And this is 2. So 23 4s are and 2 2s are 4. So is it coming 22? Just a minute. I think I made a mistake. 92 is the n. Now P1 is 2 and P2 is 23. So 23, 22 by 23 here. What did I make? It's, I think I'm doing correct itself. It's 4, or better it's 23 times 2. So 23 2s are, oh wait, this is 11. I first divide it, so 4 and this is 2. Why I'm just dividing this? See, I made a silly mistake. So this is coming 44. Actually, before I am starting this video, I just went through a rough calculation and there I got the correct answer. Now you see, therefore we can conclude torsion of 92 is 44. Now let's come back to the question. We are to find 19 to the power 92 mod 92. Just concentrate on what I am doing. Now we can write, we know 19 to the power torsion function of 92 is always congruent to 1 mod 92. And we will write here, this is Euler's torsion function. Since 92 and 19 have the GCD as 1. Cool. Now, we know torsion of 92 is 44. Therefore, 19 to the power 44 is 1 mod 92. Therefore, 19 to the power 88 is something 1 squared, which is again 1 mod 92. So, 19 to the power 92 is simply 19 to the power 4 mod 92. Now, we will have to find 19 to the power 4. Now, you see 19 squared is something, 19 squared mod 92 is something 361 mod 92. Now, 361, now 92 times 4 is 368 and we have 361, so we can write this minus 7 mod 92. Therefore, 19 to the power 4 is again 7 minus 7 squared, which is 49 mod 92. The main reason why I took this is negative because it will just make our calculations easy. We could have taken it to 85, then 85 squared is something huge and we would get a very complex solution, though our answer would match. Okay, 19 to the power 4 is 49 to the power 92, therefore our answer is 49. Therefore, remainder is 49. Before I end the video, I will suggest another way of solving, which is known as Chinese remainder theorem. Yes, it's a wonderful theorem for how using that we can solve this kind of questions. There, what we used to do, we used to just divide 92 into 4 and 23 and then find the values of 19 to the power 92 mod 4 and 19 to the power 92 mod 23, and then we would get remainder R1 and R2, and then you use CRT, Chinese remainder theorem, and then get the values. I will post the Wikipedia where based on this Chinese remainder theorem and Euler's torsion function. Stay tuned to our videos. This is the third video of this series RMO INMO. I'm very happy to announce that I will make more and more videos. This was a wonderful question, but I made a silly mistake, you see, because I was calculating, I was just cutting out the 2 and 22, so I got 22 only, whereas the answer would have been 44. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Today's video ends here. Goodbye. Have a good day. Have a good night. Tata, bye bye.